Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. And in today's video, this is going to be a different video. Today we are going to unbox this product. This is Nova Smart Ring by Nova. They sent me this out. Thank you so much. Today we are going to unbox this one and see how this product works. So I'm gonna share my experience with you guys. So here is some um good words by them. If you want to read, you can pause and read. Let me put this aside. Over here is the ring, as you can see. This is the ring. This is the smart ring that can, calculate a lot of stuff. Definitely I'm gonna talk about that. But let me just put this aside and see what is in the box. Definitely a very good quality packaging, being very honest with you. And over here it seems there is some paperwork, and yes, here is some paperwork. There is a quick guide, and maybe I'm gonna read this, maybe not, because like mostly in every other product we ignore such paperwork. Here is manual instruction, and it shares that how you get, charge it and all that, all kind of that stuff. And then there is another box over here. Just let me pull this out, and I think there's gonna be a charging cable in it. Let's see. And I am opening it, and oh yes, there is a charging cable. It is micro to USB-C, um USB-A to USB-C, I guess. Yes, USB-A to USB-C. I really like that now most of the products come with a USB-C, which is a really good thing. And there's a charging dock, and yeah, charging dock is of really good quality. It's quite solid. It feels so solid, which is nice. The build quality is good, and I think ring goes something like this on the charging dock. Looks nice, quite easy to charge, and it's magnetic, which is really good sign. On the back there is a USB Type C. That USB Type C will go there. Now I'm gonna install. I already installed this Nova app, and this is the official app of this ring. I'm just gonna connect this and see how it works and see what this app is offering, basically what the Nova ring is offering. And I am trying to connect. Let's see, let me wear this. It's a 12 size, I guess. There are multiple size options available, and yeah, I don't know how to turn this on. Maybe this is gonna turn on automatically when I'm wearing it. Let's see. For now I'm not able to search it. Maybe I need to charge it. Let's charge it for a bit. Okay, so I put it on charging, as you can see, and now it is on, and now it is connected, as you can see. So yeah, that's a good thing. Now it is connected, and now I'm gonna wear it, and now I'm gonna test a couple of things over here. Definitely, let's see what there is in the app. There's a sleep thing, there is a heart rate, then there is a blood oxygen, there is stress, which is nice. Um, I already did a blood oxygen on this one just before starting this video. It was 99 for me over here, and also 99 on my Apple Watch, which means that a blood oxygen is pretty accurate. Definitely, I'm going to test out more things in upcoming videos, so watch this video until the end. So I was wearing this while I was sleeping, so let's see how the sleep score is and how things are gonna be. Okay, so since I was wearing this while sleeping, I want to share the sleep stats. This is the app, as you can see, the Nova Ring, simple app icon. Before talking about how the app is, I want to share the sleep thing first. So we'll get into the sleep section, and I will get to the today. So as you can see, it says I slept for 6 hours and 22 minutes, and this is my sleep score. Now, if I compare this one with my other sleep tracker, so we'll get into the health app, and as you can see, I slept for around 9 hours and 11 minutes. Now, over here, I woke up. As you can see, this is my wake up time over here, and after that, I slept again, and it recorded again. But at the same time, it didn't record my nap. So that is the one thing. As you can see, nap isn't recorded over here, but still, it's a decent thing. And what I really like about this, like I'm having a fever, and it shares that my temperature is bit higher, as you can see, than the previous days over here. I was fine over here, then fever started over here, and again, and it boom like goes up really over here. I'm still having fever, and it is telling me that my body temperature is higher. This is what I really like about this ring. Definitely want to talk about more stuff of this app, so let's begin that. Should also available in the app, so I can start workout from here. I have different GPS workouts available: walking, running, cycling, and some other. It depends on me that I want to start a GPS one or without the GPS one. Definitely, if I want to use the GPS one, I need to keep my device with me. But I'm gonna start this one. I'm gonna see how this works. So let's begin. So during the workout, this is the information it gives. Over here are the calories, then there are total steps, my pace, and definitely my heart rate. Okay, so after completing the workout, here are all the details. Over here is the average heart rate. Then there is like heart rate zones. Like I was mostly in the fat burning zone, as you can see. So yeah, it's a cool details honestly, and the overall UI is pretty cool. Okay, so there are more features with this Nova ring. I can also calculate my blood oxygen, my heart rate. For example, I'm gonna calculate this one, and definitely gonna take a while. And as you can see, if it shows you the sensor is working, and it is calculating my heart rate, and that will reflect over here. So that is a really cool thing. It is measuring my heart rate. It keeps measuring the heart rate throughout the day, like while I'm sleeping and while I am during the daytime, and it's 61. And I can also measure the blood oxygen, which is actually really cool. And I checked these things multiple times with even my Apple Watch. They are pretty accurate. Pretty much I would say they are giving me same results as my Apple Watch is giving, which is again in itself amazing. So I'm really digging into it. So as you can see, it is calculating my blood oxygen, and it's still calculating it. And now there is another extra sensor is running. As you can see, there is a red light now. If the camera is doing the justice, if camera is showing you that, and 97% is my blood oxygen. Just like that, I can also calculate my stress, which is actually really cool. I actually always wanted to make that, but you can do that with this one too. So yeah, it's this ring is great in itself, and battery life is also really great. This is how the page looks like and everything looks like. I will drop the link of this Anova ring in the description. So this is how it looks like. It is available in many different sizes. You can choose according to your finger size. There are sensors, as you can see, and the design is pretty cool. It is a titanium build. It is amazing in itself. Strong quality. Just love it. So all the links are given in the description. If you're looking to buy it, go and check out that, and get yours or for someone you love. It's still a great gift. I really like it, and I might be using it for many more days.